A New York notary public is asked to notarize a document for a business associate. The notary is also a part owner of the company benefiting from the document. What should the notary do in this situation? To help us answer this question, let's have a look at section 182.3 of the Notary Public License Law entitled Requirements for Notaries, and we can jump to subsection 5 for the purpose of this question, which states that a notary public must disqualify themselves from performing notarial acts for transactions in which the notary is a party or directly and pecuniarily interested in the transaction. Pecuniarily interested means having a financial interest in the transaction. As well, it's relevant for this question to also note that section 136 of the Notary Public License Law entitled Notarial Fees sets the fees for specific notarial acts. So with all this in mind, let's have a look at our 4 choices to determine our solution. Choice A states, notarize the document as long as the parties signing are present and identified. Well, as we saw from the law and we'll see from the remaining choices, this is not the correct course of action for the notary public, and therefore choice A is not the correct solution. Choice B states, refuse to notarize due to a financial interest in the transaction. Well, this aligns from what we read from before in the law, but before we mark this as the correct solution, let's have a look at the other 2 choices just to be certain. Choice C states, notarize the document only if an attorney is present to oversee the signing. The law does not state that even where the notary has a financial interest, the notary can proceed if there's an attorney present, and therefore choice C is not the correct solution. And finally, choice D states, charge an additional fee for handling a business-related document. Well, as we read from before, the fees are fixed by the law, and the notary is not entitled to charge an additional fee for a business-related document, and therefore choice D is not the correct solution, which leaves choice B, refuse to notarize due to a financial interest in the transaction, as the correct solution.